In this video, I'll show you how to add songs and albums to your library, like and dislike music, create playlists, and explore. First off, if you're signed in, you'll instantly see recommendations based on music you've already liked and playlists that you've created in YouTube Music and YouTube. To add albums or songs, first find the song or album you want to add to your library. From the Details page, tap the plus icon to add it to your library. To view all songs and albums in your library, visit the library icon in the bottom right. When listening to a song, tap like or dislike for additional customization. Any song you've liked will be added to your liked songs section of your library, and all likes and dislikes will help fine-tune future recommendations. You can also create playlists in the YouTube Music app. Check out the link in the description below to learn how. Recommendations are also based on your watch and search history. You can pause or modify this to customize what YouTube Music recommends to you. To pause your watch history, start by tapping your profile photo. Tap Settings, tap Privacy and Location, toggle on Pause Watch History. You can also toggle to pause your search history. If you want, you can even delete your history. Tap Manage Watch History, tap the dots, and tap Delete. And that's it. Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.